What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, Meta earnings is out. We want to unpack and talk all about it, as well as recap the day it was and get you guys ready and prepared for tomorrow. But do me a favor, before we do that, please keep it locked. More importantly, please make sure you like and subscribe and help this video get at least 1,000 likes. We bringing out the charts. Class will be in session. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. This just in, guys, and this is something that I feel like encapsulates many of you guys on your journey. This was from Emery. Emery, if you see this, man, major salute. Thanks for sending me this. Some very, very heartfelt words. He said, Coach, blessings to you and the fam. You know it's hard to take in everything when it's coming all at once. It's true indeed, my man. I keep having these epiphanies. I had one today. Lights are coming on. I love that for you guys because that's part of the journey. He said, your teachings are starting to sink in. Risk management, not overstaying your welcome. That's what today's video is about. Get out means AKA not overstaying your welcome. Okay. He said, puts at resistance, calls at support. That trading strategy fits me perfectly. Today was a good day. Peace and blessings. I love to hear. I hope you guys crushed the plays we called out today because the levels were there for the taking. Okay. We're going to talk all about it momentarily. I got to bring out the charts and teach you guys a couple things, and we're going to get right into it. All right. Check this out, guys. Today, sharing with you a put I had on Apple. Okay. We did puts on SPY today as well. I'm going to show you why, though. You need to know the rhyme and reason for why you do what you do. Don't ever just do anything blindly. Okay. We had 50 contracts on this one. This was a rinse and repeat play. I got in at $1.99 on this one, took it to $2.30. Guys, 15% move. Get in, get out. Don't overstay your welcome, okay? That's what today's video is about today. Teaching you guys how when support turns into resistance and resistance turns into support. Buckle up. You guys are going to like this one, all right? Okay, guys, class is in session. We're bringing out the charts momentarily, so please watch this one all the way through. Okay, check it out, guys. We're diving in here. I got the SPY pulled up on the 5-minute chart just so the picture can be more clear. You can also see this nice and clear on the 30-minute chart as well. But look at this, either triple top or what we call a head and shoulders. Okay, that's what this is called, a H and S, otherwise known as a head and shoulders pattern. Okay, this right here is the head, this is the left shoulder, this will be the right shoulder, or otherwise sometimes known as a triple top. What does both of these moves, what does both of these patterns indicate, guys? I want this to be something that clicks to a T with you all. Anytime you have a double top or triple top, the stock is going down. So we already should have knew what to expect out of SPY. This is why I hope you guys crush this on today. Okay, let me clean this up. You guys know we keep a clean chart around here. Check this out. You guys know about the head and shoulders or the triple top. Okay, now that you got that out the way, check this out. Right here, a couple teachings. Yesterday, it was sitting above resistance. So over here, it couldn't get above this level. That was resistance. This was resistance. It got above it a tad bit. You see these little candles right here, but then it came back down. Bear flag came back down. Okay, this was one level of support. This was level support, and this is critical level of support. Okay, but back to over here, guys. Yesterday it closed right above resistance. Then look at this gap. Look at this gap right here. You always got to spot each and every day. You want to spot if there's a gap, because gaps must be filled. We had a gap right here, and look, they faked you guys out, brought it all the way down to fill the gap right there. Okay, we're gonna just write fill in there so you guys can start seeing these plays right before your eyes. Okay, the gap, we have a gap down today. Okay, we gap down here, and then guys, they made this flag pattern. Do you guys see the flag when we say that? That already told us here was resistance right here. R equals resistance, and this went down. More bear flags, until we kind of bottomed out at this level right here. Okay, now check this out, guys. These are what I call plays in the trenches. Okay, and there's a lot of money to be made inside the trenches, and I want you to be just as dominant in the trenches as you are on the bigger time frames, 15 minute, 1 hour, 1 day, so on and so forth. Okay, it's a lot of money inside the trenches. Okay, I'm gonna clean this up, but you guys see the gap. Okay, that's where the gap is at, right here where we're currently erasing that. I'm gonna move this because what I want to teach you guys on today is this. Okay, these are anticipation plays to consider. Gap fill. Okay, that's play number one. I want you guys to make a note of. So we got to get back here. That's number one. That's the gap fill. But we also got resistance right here. I'm gonna put R for 420. Okay, we also got resistance right here at 418. Okay, so we need to get back above 418, and that's going to open the door for us to come back and test 420. But 420 is just resistance. We got to break 420 to get back up here, which is 424. Okay, and that's going to equal the gap fill. So these are the moves you want to be looking for. But check this out, guys. If we continue to have bond yields and treasury yields ticking higher, guess what? Stocks are going to go lower. And so if we can't hold 417 due to yields ticking higher, then you got to be prepared to go down. This is why I want you guys to get out when you see profit. Don't overstay your welcome, guys. There's plenty money to be made in all of these setups, okay? But you got to see profit, take profit. You got to get out and not overstay your welcome. Hopefully today's lesson was helpful. Jumping into the stocks, guys, I'm kicking it off with Meta. I've been telling you guys all week, we got a huge week of earnings coming up. This one was the highlight that I was waiting on. I told you I thought they would do the best out of everybody. And let's check out Meta. They're currently sitting at 306.88. They are up 2.4% in after hours. They were down on the day 4% way down here. But after earnings came out, guys, they shot all the way up to 312. They shot up 4%. And right now they're holding a little bit of that gain as we are speaking, okay? Guys, earnings is a great chance to make some money because of the volatility. Not that you got to play them, you know what I'm saying, ahead of time. Not that you have to front run, but if you do, manage your risk. But guess what? The day after, money to be made. Start ringing the cash register, guys. This one should be on your radar. Google should be on your radar. Amazon tomorrow should be on your radar. Microsoft should be on your radar because there's money to be made off of these guys. Just want to say major salute to those that may have played Meta or that will take advantage of this and currently hold this, guys. Check it out. That's SPY, SPY. Just went over this in the charts, but today was a day. It came out pre-market teasing you guys at 422 and market open. We came down here from 420. I told you guys to look for that range. Then we bounced to 420. 421, that bear flag was all she wrote, and then boom, came off that 420 resistance all the way down here to 417. Listen, guys, this is critical levels down here under 420. Okay, we need to recapture 420 tomorrow, ideally get to 422 and back to 424 just to still be in a running and not be going down further. Okay, so be on the lookout for that gap that I told you guys about. Remember, this is high level chess. While everybody is thinking down, not that it can't go down, Wall Street might hit you with the ooh-wop tomorrow and close the gap. Don't rule out that play. Know that you heard it here first. Okay, check this out, guys. I had to throw this one in here. Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA, currently sitting at 210.78. It was down nearly 2% on a day, down a little bit more in after hours, but let's go look at these levels. I told you guys to look for 220 today. Look at this, 218, 219, 220, double top formed here, boom. Knocked it all the way down to 216. That's the key level I wanted you guys watching, as well as 218. Then we came down to 213, closed the day down here at 212, and currently down another $2 at 210. Remember, 208 is next, 202, then 200. That's to the downside. But remember, we bounced off 202 last time. So don't rule out what you see. That may very well happen again Tesla could easily capture 230 in a heartbeat, okay? Guys, this is high level chess. Keep your emotions in check, okay? Check this one out. Wanted to put this on your radar. We talked about Meta yesterday being able and ready to report today. Guess what? We got one more on deck for this week, and that will be Amazon. Ticker symbol AMZN. They are currently sitting at $121.32. They were down 5% on the day, down a little bit more in after hours. And so these consumer discretionary stocks like Amazon, Tesla, they're taking a hit. The treasury yields ticking up is really putting the pressure on them. Watch and react to how this plays out tomorrow with earnings, okay? Listen, guys, we want to get back to the money first thing in the morning. So please be in the Discord bright and early, ready to go. Guys, also remember to trade with a plan. Get out and don't overstay your welcome. That's all today's message was about, okay? I want you to make your money. I want you to do your thing, but I want you to trade with a plan because it keeps you from holding too long. These markets are going up and down. They're volatile. They're not going up for infinity in a certain direction. You guys need to know, okay, I'm content. Coach showed me he made 15%. He showed me 7%. He showed me 20%. I'm never trying to hold for 300%. Those come naturally, okay? Those might come with an overnight hold and a gap up, or if I play earnings and I on the right side of the trade. But just trying to do that every day, no. Take it one day at a time, one play at a time. And remember, guys, to fall in love with the base hits, okay? Listen, take what the market gives you and let yourself live to play another day. All right, with that being said, hopefully today's video was helpful. We make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.